Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see the most important question on National Building Code. These questions will be very helpful for your assistant architect or deputy architect exam conducted by UPSC and also for the DDA assistant architecture and GATE architecture and planning exam. My name is Rahul and you are watching Architecture and Planning with Rahul, and we are studying the most important question on National Building Code. So, National Building Code is prepared by Bureau of Indian Standards और ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स को ये वर्क दिया जाता है द प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा टू प्रिपेयर द नेशनल बिल्डिंग कोड. बेसिकली इट इज़ अ गाइडिंग कोड फॉर म्यूनसिपैलिटीज़ एंड डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ टू फॉलो इन फॉर्मुलेटिंग एंड अडॉप्टिंग बिल्डिंग बायलॉज. और पहला बिल्डिंग कोड पब्लिश हुआ था 1970 में. So let's see some questions on National Building Code. So first question is, what is fire tender movement as per National Building Code? So fire tender is the term related to firefighting norms for the building, and it specifies the demarcation of fire zones, restriction on construction of buildings in each fire zone, classifications of building based on occupancy, type of building construction according to fire resistance of the structural and non-structural component, और किसी भी तरह के restrictions और requirement जिससे फायर के खतरे को कम किया जा सके. So to answer this question, let's see each options one by one. Option A is the entire building shall be provided with a centralized fire suppression system comprising overhead water storage tank. So this is the part of fire tender movement. Next is building should have dedicated fire pumps on terrace, hose reel, wet riser. So yes, it is also important. Option C is building should have yard, hydrant and sprinkler system. So this is also necessary for firefighting. So the correct answer of this question is option number D, all of the above. Let's see next question. What is high rise building as per National Building Code? So दोस्तों, as per National Building Code, minimum height for high rise building is 15 meter. So the correct answer of this question is a building with at least 15 meter or above in height. Third question is, find the wrong option related to National Building Code of India. So let's see each options one by one. NBC is a comprehensive building code providing guidelines for regulating the building construction activities across the country. So it is a true statement. Option B is National Building Code serves as a model code for adoption by all agencies involved in building construction works, be it the public work department, local bodies or private construction agencies. So yes, it is followed by all the agencies, whether it is private or public or any agency related to building construction. Third statement is NBC is not applicable to government construction department. So it is a false statement because government construction department also followed this document. Last statement is NBC is revised and enacted in 2016. So this is correct statement. The correct answer of this question is option number C, the wrong statement related to National Building Code. Let's move to the next question. National Building Code 2005 is extensively revised and brought out as a National Building Code of India in which year? तो दोस्तों, नेशनल बिल्डिंग कोड 2005 में काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस किए गए थे और इसका अमेंडमेंट 2016 में आया था. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, 2016. Next question is, find the correct option related to National Building Code 2016. तो एक एक करके हम सारे ऑप्शंस देखते हैं. ऑप्शन A is NBC 2016 mainly contains administrative regulations, development control rules. So this is a true statement. Next is NBC 2016 stipulate general building requirements, fire safety requirements, stipulation regarding materials. So yes, it is a true statement because there are lots of guidelines given in NBC 2016 related to firefighting and its material. Third statement is NBC 2016 gives guidelines on structural design and construction including safety, building and plumbing services, approach to sustainability. So this is also a true statement. So the correct answer of this question will be option number D, all of the above. Next question is, National Building Code was first published in which year? So friends, as I already told you in the beginning of this video that the first NBC was published in 1970. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी। और द ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड इसे प्रिपेयर करता है नीति आयोग या प्लानिंग कमीशन के कहने पर। चलिए देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन। नेशनल बिल्डिंग कोड वॉज इनिशियली फ्रेम्ड एट द इंस्टेंस ऑफ, सो द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, प्लानिंग कमीशन, हु असाइन दिस वर्क टू ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड। Our next question is National Building Code was first revised in which year? So friends, it was revised in year 1983 and the first NBC was published in 1970. So let's see next question. Find the correct option related to revision made to National Building Code. Let's see all the options one by one. Option A is National Building Code was first revised in 1983. So this is a true statement. Next option is National Building Code was amended second time in 1987 and the third time in 1997. So this is also a correct statement. Option C is the second revision of NVC was in 2005, to which 2 amendments were issued in 2015. So this is also a true statement because the second revision of NVC was came in 2005 and it have 2 volumes, that is volume 1 and volume 2. Therefore the correct answer of this question is option number D, all of the above. So friends, these were all the important questions related to National Building Code. और जनरली 2 से 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं किसी भी आर्किटेक्चर और प्लानिंग एग्जाम में। दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। ऑल्सो आई ऑलरेडी सॉल्व सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन NBC. So you can watch that video from this I button. If this video was helpful, please do subscribe the channel. Also like and share to motivate me. मिलेंगे आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Until then, goodbye.